Today in episode 2, we'll be looking at everything from starting up to driving and learning how to operate the RT100 transport robot's control panel. Let's get started. First, let me explain the ignition key. When you turn the ignition key to the on position, the RT100 powers on and you can use all driving and electrical functions. To the right of the ignition key is the emergency stop button, which immediately stops the vehicle in an emergency situation. If you press this button while operating the RT100, it will stop immediately and remain in place. To release the emergency stop mode, simply grip the edge of the switch and turn it clockwise. Next, let me explain the RT100 status indicators. Looking at the RT100 from the front, you'll find the status indicators on the top left. These include the brake indicator, battery status indicator, error indicator, and GPS indicator. Please note that all 4 indicators remain off when everything is okay, and they light up red when charging is needed or if an error occurs. What you see here is the battery level indicator. You can check the remaining battery here, and please make sure it doesn't fall below 20% by checking and charging it regularly. Next, I'll show you how to operate the tether following sensor, which controls the RT100's movement. The sensor works by pulling its cord. The direction of the RT100 is controlled by how far and at what angle you pull the cord,